Hello, everybody. Today, I'm going to be chicken gun live streaming. And yeah. So, like, a lot of people just think about recently. Let me show you something I got. I got the food. Oh my gosh, bro. I got the food. Oh my god, why do you keep killing me? I got the full minigun in all of its glory. Today, we're going to be seeing how overpowered it really is. There's a lot of people say this is one of the most overpowered guns ever. Now it's picking up history. Oh, who's shooting me? Great. I did try this a little bit, and I saw how overpowered it was. Yeah, it's pretty overpowered. Oh, we lost this one because... Oh my god! I'm so tired of my dogs. They're always barking a bunch. Now, minigun is like something where you should have way more ammo. Because it is just supposed to have like so yeah, that'd probably just be too overpowered. So look at this damage. This absolute RPG spammer! Yeah, no! I'm gonna target this RPG spammer. He's really getting annoying. Let me just try headshot snapping once. Headshot. Smoke, smoke, smoke. What, bro? Okay, what? Yeah, the double minigun. The double Giga rifle. Is that a Tommy? Just laying? Bro, what? Okay. Hold on. No! I don't even have a shield. Ah, shit! I don't care why this mother flipping RPG. Like and subscribe if you want some more chicken content. Because we do have like one chicken in real life. And it's kinda, he or she is kinda on a home style. Yo! Smoke. What a comeback. Dude, where even was he? I might go on a different server. I think I'm going to go to a different server because there's a bunch of RPG spammers everywhere. Let's see if there's any good servers. I forgot this game has ads. Let's go over there. Under and back. No, I don't want to go in there. Oh, bro! No. I don't want empty grass. Alright, whatever. Let's just go in empty grass. Oh, yo. Oh, my. I'm immediately being molested. No! Why just grab a golden AK-47? Getting the wood. You can't even reach me. But I can't even reach him. This is good for like breaking vehicles. I might turn this down a little bit. I'm cooking. Dude, bro, start from the fire. Bro, why is that so big? Oh, why is that so big? Let me in. Dude, there's an entire dinosaur. Dude, why is there double golden AK-47s? What? See, look how far away he is now. Okay, hold on. Guys, I think I'm going to go to the shop. I only have 22 coins. Ah. There's a Tommy. I don't even know. The revolver is Duke. I don't know, so it wasn't a minigun. That's the sniper. Oh yeah, this is brain dead. The flamethrower is insane. Wait, where's the minigun? Let me go ahead and apply that. I'm pretty sure these are the dull golden magic rifles. And then there it is. This is like the last minigun I have to get. The shurikens. The shurikens kind of, I don't even use them that much. Alright guys, I kind of gotta poop. What even is that? Yeah. My cousin has one of those. It's just Nerf gun form binoculars. And then punching. I'm recording a video right now.
Oh, cool. I just got finished matching all my stuff. I'm not done editing. I haven't started editing.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna play a little more matches. Then I might be done with this video. Oh, we got a Floyd Robertson. Yeah, who's doing Montalaz on the ground? Dude, I was going to get Alright. My God, that was quiet. I'm gonna concentrate. Dang it! Alright. I keep getting spawn killed. Youch, youch! Alright, guys, well. Okay, yeah, we're kind of cooking them right now. Oh! Headshot! Alright, well, I think that's enough for today, guys. Oh, we won. We win. I will see y'all. Have a good day.